Ever wonder why the specs you read online are off? This guide covers every major U.S. ham linear amp maker. We'll also flag the specs that forums get wrong. From the early 1950s, we have Collins, Yaesu, and Icom. Forums often list the Collins 30W output as 25W. It's actually 30W. Today's big players include Elecraft, Yaesu, and Kenwood. Kenwood's 1500W model is frequently quoted at 1800W. Real spec is 1500W. Boutique builders like HDS and M2 amplify with custom plates. M2's 1000W rating is often mistyped as 10kW on forums. Grab the PDF for $9.99 and filter by power, band, or era. All 220-plus models are indexed with verified specs. No guesswork. Grab the full encyclopedia at hoodsfinds.com.